Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video and thank you for stopping by. So in today's video we'll be making noni juice together. I made a video on the health benefits of noni fruit. If you want to check out the health benefits of noni fruit, I'll leave a link to the video in the description box. Just click on the link in the description box to watch the benefits of noni fruit. So if you're just seeing me for the first time, consider subscribing to the channel. It is completely free, and turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos when I upload. So without wasting time, let's dive into this video. So the first thing you need is to get your fresh noni fruit. Get your fresh noni fruit. Noni fruit juice is very good for digestion. If you're having issues with indigestion, consider taking noni fruit juice. It is also very good for bloating. It is good for the system. It cleans the system. If you start taking noni fruit juice, it will cleanse your system. It is good for the skin. Once you start taking noni fruit juice, it will keep your skin very fresh, and it is also very good for frequent urination. If you urinate frequently, maybe at night before the day breaks, you will urinate more than 5 times, then start taking noni fruit juice. It will help you. It is also very good for diabetes. It is very, very good for the skin. It is good for wrinkles. It is good for acne. It keeps your skin very fresh. Noni fruit juice is packed with a lot of antioxidants. If I want to count the benefits of it, I'll go on and on. So what you are going to do is that you get your fresh noni fruit, then you are going to wash it very well. The one that is soft, if you've noticed, the one that is still green is not ripe, is unripe. So get the one that is ripe. I'm going to keep that for like 2 days. It will be ripe. Then I'll put it inside the container. So get your fresh noni fruit, then wash it very, very well. After washing it, you are going to put it inside a clean container. Then you pour your clean water inside, then cover it and put it in your refrigerator. Then you leave it for like 2 weeks, that is 14 days or more. Then once it ferments very well, then you strain it and have your noni fruit juice. Noni fruit is sticky, at the same time it tastes sour, and it smells like an old cheese. It smells bad, but not really bad, and it's sticky. It's sticky. If you leave it to ferment for a long time, it's sticky and it smells bad, then it tastes sour. So what I do is that I do dilute it with water. Just once you keep it to ferment, maybe from 14 days, you can start taking it from 14 days. Then you strain it. Then after straining it, you mix it with water. Then you have your noni fruit juice. If you can take it first thing in the morning and last thing before going to bed, you will see the benefits of this noni fruit. It is a powerful fruit that is packed with a lot of benefits. It is good for frequent urination. It is good for indigestion. It is good for bloating. It cleans the system. It is also very, very good for the skin. It leaves the skin fresh, and it is good for acne. It is good for wrinkles. It has a lot of health benefits. So forget about the bad smell, forget about the taste. Just consider taking noni fruit juice and you see the benefit of it. So guys, that's the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and if you are yet to like this video, just give this video a thumbs up and share it to your friends and to your loved ones to know the benefits of noni fruit juice. See you in my next video, and thank you for watching.